बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास इंग्लिश 8, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप लोग? मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोग बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे, अपना एंजॉय भी कर रहे होंगे और साथ पढ़ भी रहे होंगे। बेटा, हमारा नेक्स्ट ऐसे है माय कंट्री। बहुत आसान है, आप ऑलरेडी आता है, इसके बारे में बहुत मालूमात है आपकी। आएँ इसकी रीडिंग करते हैं। The name of my country is Pakistan. It is my homeland. It is a Muslim country. It is founded by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It came into existence on August 14, 1947. It has 4 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Frontier and Balochistan. Every province has its own culture. The people of every province are recognized by their language and dresses. But being Pakistanis, they all are one nation. Its national language is Urdu. The official language is still English. Its population is about 14 crore. It is an agricultural country. There are many rivers in it which irrigate its crops. Its main food crops are wheat, maize and rice. Its main cash crops are cotton, tobacco and seeds. Its area is 31,0403 square miles. There are high mountains, vast plains and deep sea in it. India, China, Iran and Afghanistan are its neighboring countries. There are many universities, colleges and schools in it. It is making progress in industry by leaps and bounds. Pakistanis are brave and hardworking. Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar and Quetta are its big cities. Islamabad is its capital. It is a beautiful country. It is a fort of Islam. I love my country very much. May it prosper in every field of life. आमीन। बेटा इजी है, थोड़ा लेंथी है, आपने इसको याद करना है, चाहे हाफ हाफ करके लिखें, लिखना ज़रूर है। थैंक यू, बेस्ट विशेज़, अल्लाह हाफिज़।